Haven. We're your anchors, Grant and Brooke. We have a very full show today.
That's right. So today, we've been challenged to our part of the news in one shot and in about 45 seconds, so start the clock. Today's lunch choices are crispy fish nuggets with sweet potato muffin, mac and cheese with sweet potato muffin.
Today's side items are the chicken Caesar chef salad, fresh steamed broccoli, black-eyed peas, and a variety of salads and fruits.
It will be a warm fall day with temperatures in the 70s. Now the announcements.
Boosterthon huddles continue at the computer lab.
The book character parade is at 8:30.
The Cute-tastic Reading soccer game is at 1 o'clock.
Now the rest of the news.
Good morning, boys and girls. It's me, your building principal, Mr. Slattery. Happy Friday, TGIF Banana. Anna Banana's in the house.
That's right, students.
What's going on?
We probably need to start off this morning with the backyard box
Good
office
idea.
cheer. So wherever you are, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Backyard box office!
Wow, all that noise. Where did that noise coming from?
Oh, it's Miss Broxterman's class. They're right behind us right there.
Yeah.
Miss Broxterman's Anna Banana, I am so excited today because I know you have a lot of announcements to talk about with Boosterthon,
Yeah.
but
Okay.
we have a book character parade coming starting at 8:30, and then the Kicktastic Reading soccer game is happening at 1 o'clock this afternoon as
Oh,
well.
yeah, it's
But I've asked Miss Broxterman's class to stay here because I have a special announcement, and I'm really especially proud with this class. Do you know, are you ready for this? Well, first of all, we have Miss Broxman. She's actually playing for Team Smith, and it's okay, I can forgive her for that. But the reason why I wanted to highlight the kids is because she has
100%
of her students in her class going to Kicktastic Reading. Boys and girls, I am so proud of you. Guess what I have in my pocket right here? I have free putt-putt. Free putt-putt. Try to top that, Anna Banana.
I can't top it. Students, today we're going to learn something really awesome all about how to rally a team. And I love it that we're going to be talking about teamwork on such a really great day where they're going to be working together as teams to hopefully win the Kicktastic game. But students, we can't wait to see you soon. Teachers, if you have any money or pledge books, go ahead and send that to the front office and put your teacher bag on your door. And we can't wait to see you later. But for now, this is Booster out.
And now back to the anchors.
Hi, Haven. I'm your field reporter, Avery, and today we are checking in with Haven staff and students. We'll see how the Kicktastic Reading Log collection has been going. Hi, Santos. Did you complete your Kicktastic Reading Log? Awesome. Will you be cheering for Team Slattery or Team Smith? Team Slattery. Thank you. Hi, Scarlett. Did you complete your Kicktastic Reading Log? Awesome. Are you cheering for Team Slattery or Team Smith? Awesome, thank you. Hi Carter, did you complete your Kicktastic Reading Log? Yes. Are you cheering for Team Slattery or Team Smith? Team Slattery. Thank you. Hi Haley, did you complete your Kicktastic Reading Log? Yes. Good job. Which team will you be cheering for, Team Slattery or Team Smith? Team Slattery. Thank you. Hi Isaac, did you complete your Kicktastic Reading Log? Yes. Which team will you be cheering for? Team Smith. Thank you. I'm your field reporter, Avery, and today I'm interviewing a special guest. Here she is. It's Anna Banana.
Hello, y'all. What's up?
Well, Anna Banana, I just wanted to ask you a few questions about your days in elementary school.
Great.
What was your favorite subject?
I loved reading, like more than anything else in the whole entire world. I loved reading books, and I could read really fast, so I would just go through so many books at one time. It was awesome.
Great choice. What was your favorite special area class?
This one's a little bit harder for me to choose, but I think if I had to choose any, it would probably be art. Because I love to paint, and our art teacher loved to let us paint all the time, so it was great.
I think a lot of Enhaven students would agree with you on that one. Finally, since Boosterthon has a movie theme, what was one of your favorite movies as a child?
That's also a tough one. I think if I had to choose one of my favorite childhood movies, it would probably be The Lion King. Great. Also made me cry a little bit, but it was awesome because it was such a great ending, so I loved it.
Well, thank you, Anna Banana, for talking with me and telling Enhaven a little bit about you.
Thanks, Avery. Bye, y'all.
Oh, hey, I almost forgot. I had something for you. Weren't you glad it wasn't a banana?
Yes, very good.
No, back to the anchors.
Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss McKinney, and I'm here with Michael. We are going to solve our McKinney math problems from 2 weeks ago. These were all the apple problems, and I'll remind you the 4th and 5th grade problem was I just love hot apple cider on a cool fall night. It takes about 36 apples to make a gallon of apple cider. That's a lot of apples. But I wanted to know how many apples were in a quart of apple cider. And then as a bonus, I asked the 4th and 5th graders how many apples were in a cup of apple cider. And that was a really tricky problem. Go ahead and tell us what you did, Michael.
So first I drew this big G, and then it helps me remember that there were 4 quarts in a gallon, and then the pints in the cup. So I did 36 apples divided by 4 quarts in a gallon equals 9 apples in 1 quart of apple cider.
Awesome. Great job. I love the big G. It's such a great strategy for measurement and capacity with customary units.
First I did 16 divided by 2 equals 8, and then that divided by 2 equals 4, divided by 2 equals 2 divided by 2. So that's 1 cup, and then 36 divided by 2 equals 18. Divided by 2, I just kept dividing by 2. And I did 9 divided by 4 equals 2 and 1/4 apples, or 2.25 apples.
That was a great strategy. Very tricky because we had to cut an apple into fourths, right, for 1 cup. So it was 2 1/4 apples in 1 cup.
And then I checked my work. I did the division in 4. Those are 2 times, and then 1. So it's 2 and 1.
What a great strategy. I love it when you go back and recheck your work to make sure that it makes sense, right? Got to make sure that your answer makes sense with the question that you're asked. So great job, Michael. Awesome work. I got to get you some free putt-putt. That will be coming soon.
Teachers, students, and staff, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Action.
Faster.